Hi guys, welcome to my channel Delicious Street. Today we are making spicy street style indomie with corned beef. It's quick, tasty and just like what you get on the roadside. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I have green bell pepper, I have carrots already diced, I have onions as well already diced, I have spring onions already diced, and I have habanero pepper already cut, and I have indomie noodles. I have my spices. I have seasoning cubes, salt, hot pepper, thyme, curry masala. I have them here, so just use spice according to your preference. And I have 2 medium eggs here. I have corned beef as well that we're going to be using, and I'll be using like half of it. I'm not going to use everything. And I have vegetable oil, and I will also be using the seasoning from the indomie as well. So get a pot and pour in your indomie right into the pot. So I'll be boiling this indomie for 2 to 3 minutes because I don't want them soft. Okay. So it's 3 minutes already. I'll be draining the water, and after draining the water I'll be setting it aside. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're in this channel you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to receive the alert of all other videos when I upload them. Okay. In a pan I poured some vegetable oil, and when the oil is hot enough I'll be pouring in my onions to fry. Then I'll add in my habanero pepper and I'll fry as well. I will also be adding the green pepper, the carrots and the spring onion as well, and I will stir fry them as well. Next, I added my corned beef and break it apart, and I let it fry for a bit so it blends with the onion, pepper, the spring onion, the green bell pepper and the carrots. I added my seasonings, and I'll be adding the seasoning of the indomie as well. So please add in minimal seasoning, okay? Don't let it be too much so that your indomie won't be salty. So next I crack in the eggs and scramble it straight into the pan. So this adds extra protein and make it more filling. Now I added the noodles back in, and I will mix everything together so it's well coated and full of flavor. And that's it, my spicy, saucy, street style indomie with corned beef. It's quick, satisfying, and so good. Here we go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is so yummy. So let me know if you will be trying this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Bye for now. I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye bye.